Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to edit photos in Android Gallery. Here are three basic methods to edit photos directly from your Android Gallery. First method, use the built-in Gallery editor. Open the Gallery app. Go to the Gallery app on your Android device and choose the photo you want to edit. Tap on it. Tap the edit icon. Tap the pencil or edit icon at the bottom or top of the screen to open the editor. Edit the photo. Use the available tools to crop, rotate, adjust brightness, apply filters, or add text. Once you're done, tap Save in the top right corner to keep the changes. Next method, use Google Photos Editor. Open Google Photos. Open the Google Photos app and choose the photo you want to edit. Tap the edit icon. Tap the edit icon, then slide the bars at the bottom. Make edits. Use the editing options like filters, adjust, crop, or any suggestions. Choose enhance to refine the image. Once finished, tap Save Copy to preserve the original image and save the edited version. Last method, use a third-party photo editing app, for example, Adobe Lightroom. Install a photo editing app. Download a third-party photo editor like Adobe Lightroom from the Google Play Store. Import the photo. Open the app and import the photo you want to edit from your gallery. Edit and save. Use the app's powerful editing tools like Edit, where you can adjust light, color, blur, effects, and more. Crop to change aspects, straighten, rotate, and more. Or applying professional filters. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save the edited photo back to your gallery by tapping the share icon in the top right, then hit Save Copy to device or export as. These methods allow you to easily edit photos on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.